subtracting rational or similar rational expression is just like adding and subtracting a fraction. Okay, for example, I have here A over B plus C over B. So to add or to subtract similar rational expression, so just copy the denominator if the denominator are similar. When we say similar, magkaparehas. Kapag ang denominator ay magkaparehas, step 1, you need to copy the denominator, which is letter B. Then step 2, simplify the numerator or add or subtract the numerator. Okay, class, we can add or we can subtract a numerator if they are similar term. Now, how to identify if the given polynomial is similar term? Example, I have here 5x squared plus 3x squared. So, let us identify if we can add the given expression. Okay, first, identify the given variable. What variable is this? X. And what is the degree or the exponent? 2. And this is also x squared. Okay, class, if the variable of the given coefficient are the same, then we can simplify the coefficient. Okay, ano po iyon? Sa Tagalog, kapag yung variable ay parehas ng degree at parehas ng variable, ibig sabihin, pwede natin i-plus or i-minus yung mga coefficient niya. Okay, therefore, the answer for this is 5 plus 3, 8. Then copy the given variable and the degree. So, we have 8x squared. Now, what if the given is 5x squared plus 3x? Do you think we can add the given expression? No, because the given expression is dissimilar term. When we say dissimilar, kahit parehas ng variable, kung magkaiba naman yung degree, hindi pa rin natin siya ma-add. So, ano na magiging sagot natin? O, as is, yan lang ang sagot. Do you understand? Okay, balik tayo dito. So, A plus C, what do you think is the answer? Okay, A plus C. Kokopyahin mo pati operation. So, the answer will be A plus C because we cannot add. Why? Kasi magkaiba naman sila ng variable. Do you understand? So, therefore, the answer is A plus C over B. So, this time, let us try to answer the given expression. I have here 2x over 3 minus x over 3. Okay, step 1, identify if the given denominator are similar. They are similar. Okay, if yes, copy the given denominator. Then step 2, okay, simplify or add or subtract the given numerator. Since our operation is subtraction, just subtract if the given numerator are similar term. Okay, do you think the given numerator are similar? Yes or no? What is the given variable? X. And this is also, what is the degree? When we say degree, exponent, 1. Oh, parehas ba ng variable? Parehas ba ng degree? Yes, then we can simplify our coefficient. Okay, what is the numerical coefficient here? 1. So, 2 minus 1 are just simply x. So, therefore, the answer is x over 3. Okay, another example. How about x over x squared minus 4 plus 2 over x squared minus 4. Again, to add or to subtract similar denominator, step 1, we're going to copy the denominator. By the way, the denominator are similar. Okay, if yes, copy the denominator, which is x squared minus 4. Step 2, okay, add or subtract the numerator. But before that, okay, check first if the numerator are similar term. Okay, what's the given numerator? X. And this is? The question is, may variable ba dito? Okay, anong tawag dyan? Dissimilar term. Kapag dissimilar term, what we're going to do now? Just combine. Very good. So, our numerator will be x plus 2. And then, last step, simplify your answer if necessary. How to simplify? Check your answer. May pwede bang i-factor? I think yes. Tama ba? Sino? Si denominator. Plus, hindi natin pwede i-cancel si 2 and 4. Bakit? Ano ba yung variable niya? X squared. Ito? X. Dissimilar yan. So, anong gagawin natin? We're going to factor the given denominator because the given binomial is an example of difference of two squares. Ano yung difference of two squares? We have three conditions. First, the given is a binomial. Second condition, there is a minus sign. Third condition, each term is a perfect square. Okay, if yes, step 1, write two parentheses. Then plus and minus. Then get the square root of the first term. What is the square root of x squared? X. Square root of 4? 2. Okay, ito yung factor niya. Then copy again the numerator. Then after that, apply cancellation if necessary. We can cancel what? Sino po? Yes, meron. Sino po? Very good. X plus 2. X plus 2 became 1. And this is also, sino natira sa numerator? Okay, 1 over our denominator is x minus 2. Therefore, this is the answer.